Let's get to know the Oase BioSmart 5000 and BioSmart 10,000 flow-through pond filters. The numbers 5,000 and 10,000 refer to the maximum pond size in gallons that the filters will keep clean and clear when there are few or no fish. Filter capacity drops as more fish are added. For example, the 5,000 shown here will filter a planted water garden of 5,000 gallons. It will keep a 2,500-gallon goldfish pond clean. If you have koi, the filter is rated for 1,250 gallons. Inside, documentation includes a manual, warranty, and safety information. The manual goes over what's included, the usual safety warnings, installation instructions, and maintenance procedures. The inlet fitting bag contains 2-step hose adapters for 3/4 to 1.5-inch plumbing, with inlet fittings that screw onto the adapters on the inside of the filter. There's a 2-inch hose adapter and a cap for the drain. The outlet bag contains a 3-inch PVC adapter with a gasket to return filtered water to the pond through standard Schedule 40 pipe. Remember to cut off the unused steps to maximize flow. The BioSmart filters have more features than you might expect. There's a water level indicator that tells you when to clean, cleaning handles that pull up to squeeze debris out of the foams, a sludge drain to flush out wastes, and a quick attach hose fitting for a final rinse. In case it can't be cleaned when indicated, there's a bypass to keep things flowing until it can be. There's even a thermometer to keep track of when to start and stop feeding your fish. Under the tray, there are 3 different grades of color-coded filter foams that water must pass through before returning to the pond clear and clean. Besides removing all the suspended solids, bacteria in the foams also remove the ammonia from fish wastes. In operation, the BioSmart receives water and wastes from a solids handling pump at the bottom of the pond. Dirty water passes through the filter foams and returns clear and clean, flowing by gravity back down into the pond. To qualify for the Clear Water Guarantee, the filter may be fitted with a Vitronic 18 or Vitronic 36 UVC clarifier, which mounts directly to the inlet ports. And that's everything you need to know about the BioSmart 5000 and 10,000 filters, but we're afraid to ask. Don't forget to like and follow us on social media. Check out our website for more in-depth information on this and all our products. See you in the next video.